Example based on Apollonius theorem, practice set 2.2, page 43. Page 43, practice set 2.2. Let us take first sum. Here given triangle PQR, in which S is midpoint. Okay, S is midpoint of QR, and therefore QS equal to SR because S is midpoint. Then PQ 11, PR 17, and PS 13 given, and we have to find out QR. Now here we will write here given midpoint. The word midpoint says that Apollonius theorem. Keep in mind, and therefore solution. So let us write first Apollonius theorem. Now Apollonius theorem will find that median divides QR. So of these three sides, PQ and PR and QR, QR is divided, and therefore PQ square plus PR square. Is equal to 2 times median square. So median is PS square plus 2 times QS square. This is called Apollonius theorem. So you write Apollonius theorem. Now let's separate it. Of this 1, 2, 3, 4, they are given. 1, 2, and 3, they are given. So just separate the values. PQ, in place of PQ, write 11 square. PR, 17 square. 2 PS is given 13 square. Plus 2 QS, we do not know, write as it is. Or you can take QS as X, suppose. See X. So you can write here X square. Better than X square. Achha. So square of 11, 121 plus square of 17 is 289 is equal to 2 into 13 square 169 plus 2x square. Maybe we are simplifying. So 9 plus 1, 10, carried 1. So 9, 10, 11, carried 1. So 3 plus 1, 410 is equal to 369 double, 9 to the 18, carried 1. 12 plus 1, 13, carried 1. 202 plus 1, 3. 338 plus 2x square. And therefore, now take 338 this side, and therefore we get 2x square is equal to 410 minus 338. And therefore, 2x square is equal to 410, see here 410 minus 338. We are subtracting, so borrow 1, so 10 minus 8, 2, carry 1, so borrow 1, so 11 minus 4, 7, carry 1, and 0, 72. And therefore, x square is equal to 72 upon 2, and therefore x square is equal to 36. And therefore, x equal to, taken square root, x equal to 6. Actually plus or minus, but minus we are not going to take. So write direct 6. So x is 6. So here QS, therefore QS is 6. But we know that QR is twice of QS because S is midpoint. So QR, and we have to find QR. So QR is equal to 2 QS, and therefore QR is equal to 2 QS 6, 2 6 are 12, so QR is equal to 12. First. So on page 43, practice set 2.2, the first sum we are just solve. The second sum you try, and third sum we have already proved. So third sum, what you proved just now, Apollonius theorem. You find the third sum, there are the two parts, first and second, and these are the two separate parts of Apollonius theorem which we already proved. Now let us take fourth one now. In fourth one, triangle ABC, M is midpoint. So M midpoint, so BM and CM equal. So M is the midpoint of side BC. And also given AB square plus AC square is 290 square centimeter. And AM is given 8 centimeter, and we have to find BC. Acha, here the diagram is drawn here. Look at the diagram now. We know that triangle has three sides, AB, AC and BC, of which BC is divided, and therefore according to Apollonius theorem, by Apollonius theorem we can write AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 AM square plus 2 BM square. Now here AB square plus AC square it is already given. So AB square plus AC square. So in place of AB square plus AC square, I direct 290 because it is given. Is equal to 2 AM, but AM is given 8. So write here 8 square bracket 8 square plus 2 BM square. And therefore 290 is equal to, just simplify this now, 64, 2 into 64 plus 2 BM square. Otherwise, you can do one thing, you can take 2 common and divide by 2 here. So if you take 2 common, that will be better. 2 common, we have taken 2 common. So this 2 common is divided here. This 2 we are dividing there. 290 upon 2 is equal to 64 plus BM square. This way also you can solve. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, carry 1, 5s are is equal to 64 plus BM square. And therefore BM square equal to 145 minus 64. Therefore BM square equal to 5 minus 4, 1. So borrow 1 here, so you get 8, carry 1, so it is 81, and therefore BM is equal to 9. Now what they asked BC, so we know the BC is 2 times of BM, and therefore BC is equal to 2 into 9, and therefore BC is equal to 18 centimeter. Now page 44. Let us take fourth sum. Find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter. But here the breadth is not given. Instead of breadth they given area of rectangle ABCD is 192. So area is given. So from area and length, can you find breadth? Yes, we can find breadth. And from breadth and length, we can find, using Pythagoras theorem, we can find diagonal. And therefore we know that area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to length into breadth. First write formula. After formula comes substitution. So we are going to substitute. Area of a rectangle is 192. So in place of area of a rectangle, write below 192 is equal to length 16. But breadth is not given, so take B. And therefore B is equal to 192 upon 16. So B is equal to, now 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16, 17, 18, 19, 3 remains. So write a 3, so 16 2s are 32, so 12. So breadth, therefore breadth is 12 centimeter. Achha, but we know that length and breadth make a right angle triangle, and therefore in triangle ABC, we know angle B is 90 degree, and therefore we apply Pythagoras theorem. Therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Achha, AB is equal to 12 breadth, and that is 12 square. BC 16, so 16 square is equal to AC we do not know, we have to find out. So write AC square as it is. And therefore 144 plus 16 square plus 16 square is 256 is equal to AC square. And therefore AC square equal to, we get 400. And therefore AC is equal to 20. And therefore diagonal is 20 centimeter. Pause. Now let us take the sum on page 45. 10th sum. Pranali and Prasad started walking, one to the east and other to the north respectively. And from same point they started, and with the same speed they go. And after 2 hours, the distance between them was 15 root 2. Find their speed. So distance between them was 15 root 2. Find their speed. Acha, suppose O is a point. Acha, whenever we draw vertical line and one horizontal line, and when you are facing at the diagram, then vertical is always north. Take note, the vertical is always north, and the side which is our right hand side is always east. So right hand side is east and vertical is north. So one of them started walking towards north and other towards east. Of course, they are at 90 degree, and they walk with the speed x kilometer per hour. So they asked to find the speed, and therefore let us take the speed, the x kilometer per hour. Achha, both walked 2 hours. So in 2 hours, both will walk. Each one of them will walk 2x kilometer. Here also 2x kilometer. And therefore the distance between them. So don't take this distance, direct distance. It is called displacement in physics. So distance between them is 15 root 2. And therefore we have to apply Pythagoras theorem. So as shown in diagram. So that they let the speed be x kilometer per hour, and therefore in 2 hours each one will cover 2x kilometer. So as shown in diagram. OA square plus OB square is equal to AB square. Pythagoras theorem. Achha, OA is 2x. So 2x whole square. Write this way. Don't write 2x square. This is wrong. Don't write this way. 2x square. 2x bracket whole square plus. Here also 2x bracket whole square is equal to 15 root 2 square. So we will just substitute. Yeah, first formula, then comes substitution. So 4x square plus 4x square is equal to 15 square is 225 and root 2 is 2. And therefore 8x square is equal to 225 into 2. Therefore x square is equal to 225 into 2 upon 8. So 8 will divide here. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are, and therefore x square is equal to 225 upon 4. And therefore we get x equal to taken square root taken square root, we get x is equal to. So root of x square is x. Root of 225 is 15, because 15 square is 225 we have taken here. So root of 225 is 15 upon root 4, but root 4 is 2. And therefore the speed, x is what? Speed now, and therefore the speed was 15 upon 2 kilometer per hour. So this is the speed, 15 upon 2 kilometer per hour. And here the remaining sums you try to solve, especially on page 45. Here some thought-provoking sums are there, challenging sums are there, especially that 8th, then 9th, 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th. So you try to solve at home I give you 2 days more, and in this way our this chapter also has come to an end. Also you find the 15, 16, 17, try to solve at home. If you have any doubt, any difficulty, then you convey me on WhatsApp. Thank you, good night. And farewell.